Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Marysol and today we are checking out the Summerween haul from the Daily Grind. And I know I have a couple of haul videos today for you to watch. I just haven't had the time to really record them, edit them, and post them. And I've been catching up on a lot of things that didn't happen in May. So today is it. Now, I got this one. I thought these were so cute. I'm still eyeing another cover. So I don't know if I'm going to get it, but look at this. I think this is the cutest cover for Summerween. And I love this ghost, and I just love everything about this cover. The colors, just the vibe of it is so cute. The other one that I really liked is the skeleton one. That one to me screamed so cute, but this is the one I landed for. I ended up getting, and then these are the discs, and I think they just go so perfect with this cover. So we're gonna set it up. I said this before, I need to get myself a jar for my Daily Grind discs because they come with 11 discs, but we only use 10 with this system. If you're new to this, you probably don't know. So I just want to put the leftover discs in a jar and put them somewhere where I can use it as, I don't know, a decor, but I haven't found a jar yet. So it'll probably go in my cafecito and chisme corner. So here you go. Like, how cute is that? So, oh, I love it. So this is the planner, and then this comes with because this is from the vault, so it comes already with the number on the bottom. So this is 26 of 400. So at the moment that I got mine, 26 of them were already sold. So I think this is cute. This is super cute. I love this cover. Let's check the dividers. The only thing I do have this. Oh, I love. Oh no, it does come. This one came in black, so you get to see from the white ones because you don't usually see the white ones when they come. So I'm glad that they did this one in black. So cute. I love the font on these ones, the Halloween font. So that's super cute. And then here are the dividers. Let me put this to the side. So you get this pumpkin one on the grill, and then behind it, this really cute doodly. You get the skeleton in the pool with his drink. The same doodle pattern, just in different colors. Oh, well, you got skeleton. Oh, yeah, it is the same. Then you get the drinks on the skeleton in the drink. This is super cute. Oh my god, and look at the cat. Bat cat or bat. Bat. And then that's the back. All right, so super cute. I can say that the only thing about these dividers, they only did one dividers, is I don't like how this divider looks with this cover, particularly because this cover has like a lot of pink and blue. So I wish I would have gotten, you know, some dividers that matched this one, but I probably have some. I just need to move them around because I think this is cute if it had some dividers that matched this vibe. So let me put this in here. And honestly, oh, this doesn't even have, okay, so I'm just gonna have to smack them in here. I could punch them and just put them on the discs. I could do that too. So that is an option that we can use. And honestly, I probably don't even need a divider for this one. Let's take the systems and the what is it? the doodle one. Because I bought some stuff. I just haven't used it. I just need to use all my stickers. Let me see. Oh, this is actually Halloween. Hmm. Okay. I had gotten these. I haven't used them yet, but I'm looking forward to using them in October. All right, so I love the systems. The system books is always my favorite. Oh my gosh, and this is this theme right here. Look at how cute. I love it. You always get the same stuff. So you get like very functional stuff. I'm happy that they're including 3 and then you get some headers. This box. I think this might fit the new system. Planning system, which is nice. You get some habit trackers, a lot of flags, a lot of all and off, and headers. So that's cute. You don't get the days of the week. That is nice. You get a second one and you get 3 of those as well. Some more of the same stuff. OMG. Yes. So you get this is for the new system, and you can definitely put this on the week ahead. What are you prioritizing? Okay, I love this. This sticker book might be it. All right, this is the pumpkin theme, and you get the same thing. The other theme, some more of the same, and then that new page that they're adding. Oh, this is just so cute. And then this one might be for the skeleton theme. Oh, okay, cute. I'm just pushing my stuff out. Cute. You definitely have a whole lot for the whole summer with this new system. So that's cute. And then the new page with the colors. Oh, I love that. All right, that's a cute one. This might be a very short video. Oh, because I didn't show the washi. I'll show the washi in a minute. Then you have the doodle one. Look at how cute. These doodles are so cute. And it comes in that holographic foil. So that's cute. Look at the cat, the cauldron, popcorn, the bat. Oh my, I was just talking about how I lose my words after the camera goes on, but I can't remember. Floaty. There we go. Floaty. Oh, my stomach is growling. I need to go eat. And you get another page. Great. So you get 4 pages here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, you get 4 pages. Now you got the pumpkin theme. So super cute. Look at the daisies. Look at the hat. Oh, look at the record player and the drink. That's cute. This is super cute. Oh, actually, that wasn't the pumpkin theme, I guess. Was it? Oh, this might be the skeleton theme. And then this is the pumpkin theme. But it also has skeleton. Oh, who knows? I don't know anymore. But the little doodles are cute. They are really cute. Look at the ghost. Oh my gosh, look at the lemons. Oh, this is cute. All right. This is the, oh my god, I really love this. Is cute. I wanted to get, if I didn't, I think I've already said I wanted to get the skeleton theme, but I have so many covers right now and I don't know what I want to do with them, and I'm just like, I can't get another cover for, because I don't even get to use them all when another collection is coming out. So that's why I didn't get it. Hopefully I don't regret not getting it ever, but I really wanted that skeleton one. So look at how cute this, oh, sorry. I was like, got blurred. So look at how cute this washi tape. This one definitely goes with this theme. And then you have the skeleton theme. How cute. Then you have the pumpkin theme. Oh, I love that. I love that it has little accents of foil, not a whole lot, just a little. And this is my haul. Now I did get the inserts, but they weren't included in this package, so they're on its way. Just didn't get here on time. I hope you like this haul. This is releasing June 25th at, I want to say 8 or 9. Is it 9? I'll have the time on the description because I always have the times confused. If you're going to purchase anything from the Summerween collection, please use my affiliate link. It does not cost you anything to use it. If you use my discount code, you will also get a percentage off of your purchase, which is about, I think, 10% off. So it's good. It's a pretty nice, decent discount. And check my previous videos. Did a couple of unboxings today, or posted them today, so you get to see those. But in one of my videos, there is a giveaway. I won't tell you which one it is, so check it out. I'm celebrating having achieved 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So yeah, go check that out so you can participate and win some planner goodies. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everybody that continues to support this channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.